So you're looking at the second question. It said if someone baked 5 cakes, what do they want to do? What do they want to do with those 5 cakes?
They want to put 4 candles.
On each one. So what have you done so far?
I baked, think these are my 5, okay, so I'm trying this.
So how many, these are your 5 cakes?
No, these are my 5 cakes.
Why are there 4 cakes? How many cakes are there in the problem?
5. So these are my 5 cakes.
Okay, so you've got your 5 cakes there now. Now what? What do we want to do with those cakes?
Put 4 candles on each one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Now, why are you doing it like that? What does the question say? How many candles do you want to put on the cake?
4.
4 on
each cake.
So, is there an easier way to do that rather than going 1, 1, 1? How many candles should you draw on the first cake? 1. Why 1?
No, 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Now we want to find out how many candles do I need to get. Do you know how many we need?
4 is 8, and 4 is 8. 1 is 8 is 16. So 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20.
There's your answer. 20 what?
20 candles.
So what do I need to do then?
We need to multiply.
Well, what did you do here? Did you multiply or divide here?
Divide?
You divided?
No, multiply.
How do you know you multiplied?
Because I was adding equal groups to make a number.
Okay, and so how many candles? So tell me your solution. If you said, I solved your problem, what are you going to tell me I need to do?
You need to bake 5 cakes, then put 4 candles on each one, and all together the candles will be 20.
So what do I need to do then? What was my question? We were trying to find out what?
How many candles he needs. So he needs 20.
There we go. Okay, so I'm looking at yours, and you tell me that 4 cookies. What did you do here?
So first we did 1 dot in each.
So why do you have 4 circles here?
Because there is 4.
Well, let's look at the question. Read the question again.
4 people.
Oh, so there's 4 people.
And 16 dots.
And there's 16 dots because why?
Because that's what it says. 16 cookies.
Okay.
So there's like 16 cookies.
So in this question, do you think you multiplied or divided?
What did you say?
Did you multiply or divide in this question?
I think divide.
How do you know that? What did you do? How do you know you divided?
Because we did 4 circles.
So are you taking a big number and are you breaking apart or are you adding to it? Like are you subtracting from it or are you adding to it?
I think subtraction.
Okay. So, well, you were, because what happened was you had your 16 cookies and then you took 1 from it there, took 1 from it there, took it, and you kept subtracting until you found out that. Now here you just said 4 cookies. Does that answer my question?
No, if you just said.
How does this answer my question? How does 4 cookies answer my question?
Well, you can just say each person has 4 cookies.
That would be a much better solution sentence because now I know what it means. So let's add to that.
How about that one?
And then here, well, you said, tell me what you did here.
So we did 5 cakes.
Okay.
And 4 candles in each one.
Okay. And what does 20 candles answer?
That like you're meaning like
Well, my question said, what does 20 candles mean? Because if I was to look at this, if I looked at both your solution sentences, I would say 4 cookies, but what does that mean? And then you told me each person gets 4 cookies.
And 4 candles.
So what does 20 candles mean?
So then...
Well, what were you trying to figure out in the question? If someone baked 5 cakes and they wanted to put 4 candles on each cake, how many candles do they need?
4. No.
Well, you've told me how many candles, but what does this mean? 20 candles means... Is that how many candles they need?
Yes.
So they need 20 candles for the 5 cakes? Is that what your solution has said?
No, yes.
Yeah. So that's why we need to add more detail to this, because if you came to me, say I was your boss, and I said, I need you to solve a problem for me, and you just came back to me and said, 20 candles, I'd be like, what does 20 candles mean? But then if you told me that, well, you need to go out and buy 20 candles for your cakes, see how that answers it more clearly?
So if you did lots of sentence...
Well, you don't need lots of sentences, you just need more detail in your sentence to make sure that it answers the question.
Like 20 candles, and if you just, and you say, there is 20 candles and you need 20 candles for the cake.
That would make more sense. Do you see what I mean? Do you see the difference?
That one more.